Hey, this is Captain Jonathan Moss with your tackle box tip. Guys, today I want to talk about ice retention in your roto-molded cooler. Now, this cooler has been on the skiff all day long, holding ice, has our lunch, our drinks, keeping us hydrated with our waters in there. And the key to keeping your ice to last longer and through a hot summer day is pre-ice. So the night before, I'll get a 10-pound bag of ice, and I will put this ice in the cooler. It's a sacrificial bag of ice. In the morning, take that ice out, put in fresh ice, put in my food, my drink, cover it back over with more ice, and I'm good to go for the rest of the day. Here's why that's so important. It's going to bring down the interior temperature of the cooler. That foam is now going to take on the temperature of that ice, so when I add in my fresh ice first thing in the morning, I'm ready to go. It's going to last me all day long. It'll last me a couple of days. This is Captain Jonathan Moss with your tackle box tip.